Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation step by step, from adding slides to designing and presenting them. Let's get started. So we start by opening our PowerPoint. Let's open our PowerPoint. So this is how our PowerPoint looks like. We open a new one, a blank document. So this should be how a PowerPoint should look like. If you don't have a PowerPoint presentation yet, you can create yours now using this. So remember, this is our ribbon where it has all these file, home, design. So if you open a blank document, you can either click and let's try writing forest and let's put something like in Uganda. So this is just a sample. I want to show you guys how to create it. So in our PowerPoint presentation, we want to create another slide. We open title and content, press. So title, what is a forest? Forests. What is a forest? What is a forest? So in PowerPoint, your words, you just need to outline them. You just need to outline the forest, where a forest is just, let me say, a group of trees. This one, a green plant. This is next, another one. So when you open and you started writing, you pick a ready-made template. You just need to put design. We want this one. We say this one forest. Let's color this one. Let's color this slide. So when we want to color it, we go to design. So we choose the more befitting one. Let's see, I think, yeah, this is it. So you see, if we are adding slides, all our slides will contain this color. Like if we add, you see, this is what it will bring for us. You see, it will bring for us this one only. It will bring for us a ready one like this. So this is what is a forest, a group of trees, a green plant. So we want to add another effect yet. We want to add like the image. We want to add image of a plant here. We want to add like the image of a plant here. We go to insert pictures or icons. Let's go for stock images. So it's still downloading and it's you see, it brought for us this, you see, very many. So which one can we take? Which one should we take? Or we search? Let's search for forests. Forest. We press enter. Let's press forest and or we just use this one, or we just use this one to represent our forest. And we insert, we press on it, press on the insert. It's downloading yet. It's still downloading our image. What is happening? Okay, there's something wrong, but that is how you can do it. Okay, that is how. Okay, let's just put like an icon just to represent forest. Let's type here. Let's type here forest. We have forest. See, it's bringing for us an icon of a forest. So I think we can just use this one instead. So you see, this is it. So we have to make it more bigger. At least let's make it more bigger, at least to cover bigger. So this is how we had our pictures or icons in PowerPoint. So the next thing is inserting shapes. You can also come here. You can insert, see, shapes. You can insert any shapes of your choice. You can also insert in PowerPoint. And you can also insert charts also in PowerPoint. See, this is what you can also do in PowerPoint. You can also insert charts on PowerPoint. And to make your slides look great, you go to the design, you pick a theme or background style. You can also adjust colors like we did. For us, we took this one. See, that is it. So, and another thing is transitions. We need to add transitions. You want to add like push. Let's bring, you see, that is it. And we apply the same here, push, you see, that is it. So another thing, we go and add our our animations. It's the same, we can use it now. We have our transitions already. So if we want to show like our slideshows, then we come to slideshow. You press from the beginning, you see. If you press again, you see, this is it, the end. So this is what I have for you guys. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also share my video. See you next time.